The goal of the workshop is working on a PPG global color trend, and this is the fundament for our business or for our daily work with our customers. This is the intention of this meeting.
We are going to look at what is the trends in colors, but also what is happening around us in the world and how we can translate that into colors for the customers to be inspired by when they're going to buy paint in 2026. The very important thing is that we are going to find color of the year for 2026.
Color of the year, as crazy as it sounds, to be able to take all of these trends and try to pick one color that represents all of that. When you're able to encapsulate all of that and have a color that represents everything you're trying to emote, it really brings a story to life.
I think that people choose us because we have a great fan deck with over 2,000 colors. So you can always find a color that is exactly the one you want for your home and for your walls.